Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching us. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace the rear door speaker on Volkswagen Touareg 2005 to 2010 generation right here. We'll demonstrate on the rear right side, but the left side will be identical, almost identical procedure as well. So if your speaker is not sounding good, you need to replace it, or you want to install an aftermarket one, stay with us and we'll show you how to remove it now. Alright guys, so now we will need to remove the door panel. What do we need to do here? Okay, we have a T25 Torx. Okay, and we have two screws that we need to remove on the bottom of the door panel. One is out, now the second one there. Yeah, okay, perfect. Next, there is a few more hidden ones under that cover right there. You just have to be careful not to damage it. Okay, like that. So we need to get a Torx 30 now, and we have two screws to remove under that cover there. Okay, one is loose. This one looks like it's skipping a little bit. We need to make sure that you get it right. Okay, perfect. It's loose now. Then you need to get a prying tool or get it with your fingers. Okay, and you'll be able to pull the door panel out. There is clips holding it, guys. We'll show you where exactly they are once we remove it, so you know where to expect some pressure. Okay, so it comes out, you can see, and once you pull the clips out, you need to go up, so you can come out of the groove. It could be stuck if it hasn't been removed for a while. Next, you need to disconnect the cable, okay, for unlocking and lock for the door, to open the door. So let me show you quick how to do that now. Okay, we'll need to pull those things out. The white things, you need to spread them out and pull the cable out. Okay, like that. Next we have all the wires there. Just squish those on the sides and disconnect it. We have one more that's been connected on the door computer here. So it's towards the back side. There is a notch that you press in and pull out. Okay, this one there. And you can see where all the clips are now. Even a few of them are on the door now. This one here and here, so we need to remove them. We have one there and three more on the other side. Alright guys, so for the speaker you need to remove, okay, that cover right there, you pull it out. You need to disconnect the wires by pressing in there and you pull up. It does get stuck sometimes really good. Okay, and unfortunately on those models, most of the newer Volkswagens, they use the rivets. So you have 6 rivets. What you have to do, you need to get a drill bit with a drill that size, and you need to drill through all 6 of them, and later you need to install either new rivets or bigger screws. Okay guys, so that's pretty much will be the procedure for removing the speakers. Unfortunately, I told you we don't have the drill bits now to remove it, but we have a video on Volkswagen Jetta, how to remove and replace the door speaker, which is basically the same procedure for drilling the rivets. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe and see you guys next time.